What's up everybody, welcome back to Garage Gym Gains. Today we have another exciting home gym tour. So if you like home gym tours, make sure you hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more coming soon. Today we're checking out Kevin and Jennifer's home gym. I believe they are both doctors. Hopefully I'm not pulling that out of nowhere. I believe at least Kevin's a doctor. I'm not sure if they both are. Not important. Point is they have a cool home gym and we're gonna check it out.
Hi, my name is Kevin and this is our home gym. Behind the camera is my wife, she's my gym partner. And first off, you have my other gym partner right here, my daughter Haley, who's starting to meow. This is actually very essential because during the whole workout, in between sets, we don't have a lot of time to take care of the baby. So the swing helps her relax. We'll start off in this corner where the gym actually started.
All right.
We started everything before all this with simple stuff like resistance bands and like little doodads and push-up bars and things like that. So we have all that stuff up there. Basically now it's just wrist training equipment, like a wrist roller, the grips that go around the dumbbells, we have a force ball, a squeezer and resistance band. This is our chalk bag, and this is all our wrist wraps and things of that nature. After that,
It seems like especially during, my headphones are a little messed up, especially during the lockdowns and everything, a lot of people started with resistance bands, which is awesome, great place to start. Super low entry if you could get them. There was a while where you couldn't get resistance bands like anywhere, but that has changed. So if you're looking for like a low barrier to entry, definitely go with resistance bands. It's easy to do. You can at least kind of get your feet wet.
We primarily left the commercial gym and we made an investment. First investment was this dumbbell set. This goes from basically zero, I guess. Zero, basically 2.5 pounds, which is this adder weight, all the way to 90 pounds. But we decided to add these magnetic weights. You can buy them on Amazon. They're called plate mates. They're magnetic. Each one of these big ones are 2.5 pounds. And they also have 1.4, 1.25 pound weights. We don't really use them, but it helps. The reason we primarily got them is because if anyone's actually used a Powerblock before, they only have the seven number weights in between. So like they have 17.5, 27.5, 37.5, but they don't have 12.5, 22.5. So the weights, the magnetic weights help you get those little extra weights. The stand we also bought at that time was really important because picking 90 pounds off the floor gets tedious pretty quick. The next investment we made...
I agree, if you're going to get Powerblocks, definitely get the stand. It makes it look better. It gives them like a home to be. Otherwise, even if you disregard the part of actually picking them off the floor, it makes it more difficult to switch the weights if they're on the floor. So it's a lot easier to change the weight if it's on the stand. I would completely agree. Get the stand.
Was this? Oh, this was, I believe, around $600. Oh, $700. My wife corrected me. This was before COVID in 2019. The stand was, I believe, $60, again, before COVID. At the same time, we purchased this bench from Walmart. It's a Gold's Gym bench. It does decline all the way up to shoulder press, and it has leg rollers for decline and abs, and this was around $50. Then, after all this, we decided to get married because she just loved the bodybuilding lifestyle. She was originally a CrossFitter. And for our wedding registry, everyone said you should, put China and other plates on there. And I decided, no, we're going to put weight plates on there. So actually, most of this gym is sponsored by my wedding attendees. All of this registry stuff came from Amazon. This is the cap squat rack. It's not the power rack, squat rack. It comes with these spotter arms. It's extra. I think it's about $60 for the spotter arms. They're very clutch. We actually use them as our barbell holder because, as you can tell, we don't have that much room. This is a bedroom. Sorry about the baby in the background. The other barbell we have is this 1-inch barbell. It's only 20 pounds, and this is a York barbell from the 1960s, I think. This is a cap barbell, 45 pounds. This came in a set with 300 pounds of weight, which is what you see on here. This all came from that one set, except for the ones of different color. I bought that extra to add on to the stack. The stand also bought from the registry. I bought these.
So those weight sets with like the standard cap barbell or cap weight plates with the barbell, I think they used to be at Dick's Sporting Goods for like, gosh, I don't know, like $300 or something like that. And I always used to see them as I'd walk by going through Dick's Sporting Goods to go get whatever. I'd go by the home gym section. I'd be like, oh, that's cool. And I never realized how hard they would come, or how hard they would become to get those. It's gotten better, obviously, but during the lockdown and everything, I mean, if you could get one of those sets, you might as well get a lottery ticket.
Microweights, I believe this is 1 pound, 3/4, half, and 1/4 pound. We only use them for max days. These are Lockjaw Collars, and I definitely recommend investing in good collars. These are the other weights we bought, more 45-pound plates. I believe total we have a little more than 400 pounds, no, not 400, about 500 pounds in Olympic weights. We also have standard plates, which actually a lot of it we recently added because, and you can see, this is 50, 25, 10s, 5s, 2.5s, and those are all the handles of different sizes. We got all those recently because my wife was obviously recently pregnant because we have a beautiful daughter, and she is not back to her old self. So switching out the weights is tedious. So until she's back up to par, we're using the standard bar for easier weight changes. We actually got this off of Facebook Marketplace for $75. I think originally they sell for $20. It came with this and this bench. They're different brands. I think this is also Gold's Gym, but it's not branded. It comes with a preacher curl with curl bar.
Oh.
It also has leg curls and leg extensions, as you can tell, but it takes standard weight plates. And one tip I do have for anyone right now going through COVID, trying to get any weight plates or any gym equipment, it is a little mean, but if you try to buy weight plates and gym equipment from gym owners, they know what everything is worth. They're gonna upsell it and sell it for $2, $3 a pound. I got most of my equipment from home gym owners, like home gym goers, especially ones like they were started before COVID or like bought it like when gyms were going out of stock and things like that. They don't really know how pricey it is, so they're just trying to get it off their hands, so they sell it for real cheap. So that's the way to pick it. The other thing is, when you're looking up Rogue stuff, don't just look up Rogue. Look for misspellings. Because again, people who don't know what things are worth, they misspell things all the time, and it's easy to find good deals.
That's smart. I never thought of that.
The other last investment we made was this table machine. That was the one thing I feel like a lot of home gyms lack. This was totally worth the investment. We didn't go with a lat pull down or I believe, what's that one called? A cable crossover. We wanted an all-in-one. So this is the Valor BT61. It has a lat pull down here, and has cable crossover, and has a seated drop. It can take either Olympic or standard weights. And my favorite part of the gym is my future weights for my baby. We have the complete set all ready to go, and of all progressions. And the only other thing I want to mention is this room is sitting above a crawl space, so it's not on a floor, it's not a garage, it is just a bedroom. So the thing we are doing is we put 3/4 inch plywood. There's 2 sheets under there. There's one there, one here, 4x8 sheets. And then we got 4x6 4-stall mats, 2 of those. We did not cover this area because things are very expensive, so we did it strategically. And then we put these 2 extra pieces here just to hold the stand. As we accrue more stuff, we'll fill that in. The only piece of cardio equipment we have right now is this bike. It's my wife's bike. She treasures it to her life. We have an old school trainer on the back to help you cycle in place, obviously. And we have, the last thing is a few mirrors here, there, and there's one back on the door. And it's strapped in. And our speaker system is an old school Logitech speaker with a Bluetooth adapter that connects to our laptop. And we have a few embellishments you can see. Is our banner, all is well. It's from a movie called 3 Idiots. It's just a good reminder. And we're of course a Ravens fan. We're sponsored by Quest Nutrition, and that's our gym logo. Oh, and I forgot, we have some holds for our extra cable attachments. Did I miss anything? If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments, and I'll reach back to you. Cool? Thank you, guys.
Right on. First off, Kevin and Jennifer, thank you so much for sending that in. It was a blast to check out your setup. So everybody that's watching, take a moment to comment down below what your favorite part of their setup is. I'm going to give you a little bit of time to do that. In the meantime, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of the content. If you want your home gym on the channel, record a video of it horizontally, upload it to YouTube, and send me the link via email or on Instagram, garage_gym_gains, and then email is a Gmail, garagegymgains with a Z at gmail.com. But my favorite part at first was going to be the preacher curl attachment off that bench. I've actually never seen that before. It had the leg extension as well as curl, but then having the preacher curl coming off of it, I thought that was really cool. It was going to be that until we saw the 4-in-1 combo of the plate loaded lat pull down / cable crossover / low row. So I feel like it's got to be that. I'm sure a lot of you are going to be saying the same thing, but let me know down below.